Rhinebeck by 6:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. 6 miles west of Stanfordville by 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Please report hail size, damaging winds, and reports of trees down to the National Weather Service by email at klb.stormreport@NOAA.gov, on Facebook at www.facebook.com/US Nation Now Weather Service.albany.gov, or Twitter at @WSALbany. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday evening for northern Connecticut and western Massachusetts and eastern New York and southern Vermont. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York, Dutchess, and Ulster. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for Columbia, North Central Dutchess, Northeastern Ulster, and Eastern Greene counties. At 6:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar continued to indicate a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Livingston, or 8 miles southeast of Catskill, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Churchtown, Tagcanic, East Tagcanic, and Greenport Center by 6:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Upper Hollowville, Mellonville, and Martindale by 6:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Philmont and Culvers by 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Please report hail size, damaging winds, and reports of trees down to the National Weather Service by email at klb.stormreport@NOAA.gov, on Facebook at www.facebook.com/US Nation Now Weather Service.albany.gov, or Twitter at @WSALbany. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday evening for northern Connecticut and western Massachusetts and eastern New York and southern Vermont. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York, Columbia, Dutchess, Greene, and Ulster. The National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 391, effective until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Connecticut: Fairfield, Hartford, Litchfield, and New Haven, and the following counties in Massachusetts, Berkshire, and Hampton, and the following counties in New York, Dutchess, and Putnam. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should Rhinebeck, southeastern Ulster County, and east central New York. This includes the cities of New Paltz, Kingston, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near New Paltz and moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Pilsen by 6:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Hyde Park at 6 miles northwest of Fairview by 6:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Stottsburg at 8 miles northwest of Pleasant Valley by 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Port Ewan at 7 miles southeast of Kingston by 6:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Rhinebeck by 6:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, 6 miles west of Stanfordville by 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Please report hail size, damaging winds, and reports of trees down to the National Weather Service by email at klb.stormreport@NOAA.gov, on Facebook at www.facebook.com/US Nation Now Weather Service.albany.gov, or Twitter at @WSALbany. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday evening for northern Connecticut and western Massachusetts and eastern New York and southern Vermont. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York, Dutchess, and Ulster.
The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a small stream flood advisory for minor flooding of poor drainage areas in northeastern Albany County and east central New York. This includes the cities of Watervliet, Latham, Colony, Cohoes, Albany, northwestern Rensselaer County, and east central New York. This includes the cities of Troy, Rensselaer, southern Saratoga County, and east central New York. This includes the cities of Mechanicville, Clifton Park, eastern Schenectady County, and east central New York. This includes the cities of Scotia, Schenectady, Rotterdam, until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, radar indicated showers and thunderstorms with downpours moving into the greater capital district. 1 to 2 inches of rainfall will be possible in a short amount of time. Runoff will lead to minor flooding of urban areas, small streams, poor drainage locations, and other low-lying areas. Ponding of water is also likely on roads. A flood advisory means river or stream flows are elevated or ponding of water in urban or other areas is occurring or is imminent. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 391, effective until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following county, Litchfield, Connecticut, and the following counties in Massachusetts, Berkshire, Franklin, Hampton, and Hampshire, and the following counties in New York, Columbia, Dutchess, and Rensselaer. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Flash flood watch remains in effect through this evening. The flash flood watch continues for portions of western Massachusetts, east central New York, and southern Vermont, including the following areas in western Massachusetts, northern Berkshire and southern Berkshire, in east central New York, eastern Albany, eastern Columbia, eastern Dutchess, eastern Greene, eastern Rensselaer, eastern Schenectady, eastern Ulster, Hamilton, Montgomery, northern Fulton, northern Herkimer, northern Saratoga, northern Warren, northern Washington, Schoharie, southeast Warren, southern Fulton, southern Herkimer, southern Saratoga, southern Washington, western Albany, western Columbia, western Dutchess, western Greene, western Rensselaer, western Schenectady, and western Ulster. In southern Vermont, Bennington, eastern Windham, and western Windham. Until midnight Eastern Daylight Time tonight, the combination of saturated ground from 1 to 3 inches of heavy rainfall yesterday, combined with more likely heavy rainfall from trailing thunderstorms this afternoon and evening, could produce rapid water rises resulting in flash flooding this afternoon and evening. Flash flooding could take place on roadways, culverts, and small streams. If flash flooding were to happen, act quickly. Move to higher ground at once. Get away from places subject to rapid flooding, such as dry creeks or places along streams. Avoid already flooded areas. Turn around, don't drown. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous